Looking for an easier way to tackle tough cleaning tasks in your home? The future of cleaning is here with the best electric spin scrubbers and cleaning brushes for 2025. Whether you're dealing with bathroom tiles, kitchen counters, or stubborn grout, these tools will save you time and effort. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 5. Wireless Electric Cleaning Brush. This innovative 6-in-1 wireless electric cleaning brush is not just any scrubber. Powered by a strong magnetic motor, it delivers high torque for powerful, efficient cleaning. No more straining your back or wasting energy on stubborn dirt and grime. With its cordless design, you can clean any area in your home or even your car without being limited by a cord. It's perfect for the kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, and more. You can scrub tiles, countertops, sinks, and even get into those hard-to-reach spots like the ceiling or under furniture with ease. The wireless electric cleaning brush is incredibly versatile, coming with 6 interchangeable brush heads to tackle a variety of cleaning tasks. Whether it's a large flat brush for your floors, a pointed brush for tight crevices, or a toilet brush for 360-degree cleaning, this tool has got you covered. Thanks to its scalable design, you can extend it to a maximum of 95 centimeters to clean high surfaces, or shrink it down to 63 centimeters for lower areas, giving you the flexibility to clean with ease without having to bend over. Enjoy the simplicity of one-click operation for 360-degree rotation, making cleaning faster and more efficient. The brush works at a speed of 450 revolutions per minute, ensuring that your tasks are completed in no time. Number 4. 9-in-1 Wireless Electric Spin Scrubber. The 9-in-1 Wireless Electric Spin Scrubber provides powerful performance without the hassle. It delivers a stable speed for consistent cleaning and has an impressive maximum power of 75 watts, ensuring that dirt, grime, and grease don't stand a chance. The ergonomic, comfortable grip makes it easy to hold, even for extended cleaning sessions. The scalable design means you can extend the handle to reach higher places or shrink it for more precise tasks, ensuring no spot is left untouched. This electric cleaning brush comes with 9 interchangeable brush heads, each designed for a specific task. Whether you're cleaning ceramic tiles, washing windows, scrubbing car interiors, or polishing surfaces, this tool does it all. The pointed brush is perfect for cleaning fine seams, while the small round brush is ideal for delicate surfaces. There's even a sponge brush for surface cleaning and a half-round brush for 360-degree cleaning of concave surfaces. The 3000 mAh battery ensures long-lasting use, offering up to 100 minutes of cleaning power. Plus, with a Type-C interface, charging is a breeze. The LED display screen allows you to easily monitor battery life, so you're never caught off guard during cleaning sessions. Whether you need to clean floors, furniture, the bathroom, the kitchen, or even your car, the 9-in-1 wireless electric spin scrubber is the perfect tool. Number 3. Raugee Multifunctional Wireless Cleaning Brush. The Raugee Multifunctional Wireless Cleaning Brush comes with 8 replaceable brush heads, each designed for a specific cleaning task. The flat brushes are perfect for cleaning large surface areas, such as floors and walls, while the corner brushes make cleaning grout, edges, and tight spaces a breeze. You can even use the sponge brushes for dishes or the cloth brushes for windows. This brush is so versatile, you can even use it to polish and wax your car. Changing the brush heads is simple. The brush also comes with a self-adhesive base that helps securely attach the sponge and cloth brushes. This gives you even more flexibility for your cleaning needs. The Raugee Multifunctional Wireless Cleaning Brush features 3 adjustable lengths, allowing you to clean at 27 centimeters, 69 centimeters, or 111 centimeters, giving you the freedom to tackle both high and low areas without bending or kneeling. It also offers two adjustable angles, 135 degrees and 180 degrees, so you can reach every corner and surface with ease. The built-in LED display shows you the power status and speed levels, so you'll never run out of battery unexpectedly. It also comes with a LED nightlight, perfect for cleaning dark corners and spaces with ease. From cleaning your bathroom and kitchen to washing windows, scrubbing floors, and even cleaning your car, this brush is designed to make every task quicker and less tiring. Number 2. Xiaomi Electric Spin Scrubber. This multifunctional electric cleaning brush is designed to make your cleaning tasks easier, faster, and more efficient. Whether you're tackling tough grime in the bathroom, kitchen, or on your windows, this tool will change the way you clean. Equipped with a high-speed motor, the Xiaomi Electric Spin Scrubber delivers powerful cleaning performance. With two adjustable speeds, 280 revolutions per minute and 350 revolutions per minute, you can easily adjust the intensity based on the surface you're cleaning. This scrubber comes with 5 replaceable brush heads to suit all your cleaning needs. The corner brush is perfect for cleaning edges and tight corners, while the flat brush tackles floors, shower walls, and bathtubs. The fine brush is ideal for removing grease from stoves and pots, and the sponge brush is great for cleaning dishes, sinks, and glass. The Xiaomi Electric Spin Scrubber is equipped with the latest USB-C charging port, and its 2500 mAh battery offers up to 120 minutes of continuous cleaning on just 2 hours of charging. The built-in LED display shows the remaining battery life, so you'll always know when it's time to recharge. This cordless, portable electric rotary washer is not only lightweight, but also features an ergonomic handle, making it comfortable to use for extended periods without fatigue. Number 1. Xiaomi 9-in-1 Electric Spin Scrubber. This wireless electric cleaning brush combines powerful performance with a sleek design to tackle every corner of your home with ease. One of the standout features of this scrubber is its digital LED display, which allows you to easily monitor the battery level, ensuring you never run out of power during your cleaning sessions. Powered by a strong magnetic motor, the Xiaomi 9-in-1 Electric Spin Scrubber delivers high torque and high power for a fast, thorough clean. This motor is designed to operate without burning out, offering consistent power for long-lasting performance. Whether you're cleaning floors, walls, bathrooms, or even your car, this scrubber is a true multi-purpose cleaning tool. It's ideal for a variety of surfaces, including hard floors, furniture, kitchens, bathrooms, and more. With its humanized design, the Xiaomi 9-in-1 Electric Spin Scrubber features a scalable extension handle, so you can clean without bending down. This makes it easy to reach high places, such as ceilings or high shelves, and allows for a more comfortable and less tiring cleaning experience. The scrubber comes with 9 interchangeable brush heads to handle all your cleaning tasks. From the large flat brush for cleaning large floor areas, to the pointed brush for those hard-to-reach corners, and even a toilet brush for 360-degree cleaning, the Xiaomi 9-in-1 Electric Spin Scrubber is designed to meet all your needs. And there you have it. The best electric spin scrubbers and cleaning brushes to help you conquer your toughest cleaning jobs in 2025. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews and cleaning tips. See you in the next video.